Google Ads Quality Score, How to Improve It Fast. Welcome to our Google Ads Guide. Today, we'll explore how to boost your quality score quickly and effectively. Quality score is crucial because it affects your ad rankings and costs. It's based on three main factors: ad relevance, expected click-through rate, and landing page experience. Let's dive into actionable tips to improve these. First, enhance ad relevance by ensuring your ad copy closely matches the keywords you're targeting. Use dynamic keyword insertion if appropriate to make your ads more personalized and compelling. Next, focus on improving your expected click-through rate. Write clear and enticing headlines and use strong calls to action. Test different versions of your ads to see which ones perform best. For landing page experience, ensure your page is highly relevant to the ad and keyword. The content should be useful, easy to navigate, and load quickly. Make sure the design is responsive for both desktop and mobile users. Another tip is to organize your ad groups tightly around similar themes or products. This organization allows you to write more targeted ads and select more relevant keywords. Regularly monitor and refine your keyword list. Pause low-performing keywords and add negative keywords to filter out unwanted traffic. Finally, analyze and optimize your account regularly. Use Google Ads tools and reports to identify areas for improvement and to track your progress over time. Improving your quality score can lead to lower costs and better ad positions, giving you an edge over competitors. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on digital advertising. Thanks for watching.